here in Mikkeli, and we are pretty much done over here. I took the mast off, and now I'm slowly gathering all the gear into the car from the boat, and that is pretty much a wrap for this boating season. But it was a good and warm summer. Wish there would be more of those like that, but we'll see what the next summer brings to us. But yeah, that's it. It's always sad to end the season, but what can you do? Weather's getting colder, and at some point there's gonna be ice on the lake, but that's not why I'm already lifting the boat. It's because it's a wooden boat and it needs to dry up before it freezes out, so the freezing of the water doesn't damage the structure of the boat and the structure of the wood, so that's that. But yeah, that's it. Now, from a few days before the truck driver comes, and after that we're gonna put the antifreeze into the engine and stuff like that, and maybe wash the boat just a little bit and clean it up. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, and then we start to prepare for the next season. Some renovations are needed for the boat, but I'll get back to those when it's time for it. But yeah, so that's it, and yeah. Thank you for watching my videos, and please comment, rate, and comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.